Here it's Dom, and please donate. Say hi, if you like. Okay, old man. So, Domin has this thing he's doing. Every Robux you donate, he will run that many laps around the fountain. And I also have my friend. So yeah, basically, sorry for the silence. This is a friend we made who is helping us. So yeah. So we're all twitching so badly. Oh my god. Say hi.
You too as well. Well, one ein. Oh my god.
The I'm recording. Hello. Hello. I don't think you understand. Hello, welcome to YouTube. Alright. Anyway, let's get this business started.
I made 243 Robux by doing laps. I truly don't have a life. I got one guy donated me 100 Robux, so I had to do 100 laps.
Yeah, he actually did. I counted all of it. Just super slowly. I actually wish I got a recording of that. Maybe, we could turn this into a little series where, like, Domin could just, we can play Please Donate, and we'll just be, doorman. Anyway, ready to be so doorman? Cause I'm ready. Right, Domin? I said right.
Yeah.
Alright, anyway, let's go. It is so laggy. Let's go.
Are you guys being fail doorman?
Yeah. I wish I could sprint in this game. I don't know how.
I don't know which key it is for computer players.
I tried them all. It doesn't work.
Oh god.
Ooh. Oh my god. Just work. It's so hard. Come on down to My Eyes Are in Hell donation station if you would like, but if you do come to donate, you will run one lap every 1 Robux. So you're gonna come, right? Yeah. You're gonna go donate, right?
Are in hell. Are in hell.
Okay, Domin, stop. I want to keep this relatively child friendly, alright?
Bro, Alex is making a video. Give her quiet, Gabriel. We will harass you. Right, Gabriel?
Oh my god. I sing for every donation. Just request a song. Are you sing the songs? Well, guess what? Just give me a sec.
You know what I'm doing.
Come on down to My Eyes Are in Hell donation station if you would like. But if you do come to donate, he will run 1 lap every 1 Robux.
I've made 240 Robux.
Okay.
I clearly don't have a life.
Maybe write about that.
I don't care.
I'll ask the Minecraft chicken over here. So also this time, if it may sound quieter, I use my pillows to surround the computer to absorb more sound. Domin gave me advice on this. Minecraft, what is going on? Minecraft chicken. Maybe he would like to donate. Come on down to My Eyes Are in Hell donation. Okay, you know what? This is gonna get old real fast. Super epic montage, so I'm not gonna have to spend 2 hours editing. Hey, would you like to come down to My Eyes Are in Hell donation station to donate to run? You just yes. I have 0 Robux. Sorry.
And they're trusting me on doing the laps and not watching me do them.
Wait, what?
So this guy named Dent donated traded me 4 Robux so I had to do 4 laps. And he's pretty much entrusting me on doing the laps. I like how people sometimes just donate me a random amount of Robux. Well, tell me to do the laps. And then they don't even want to do it, trusting me on doing it.
Yeah, he's gonna do it, because I asked him to. I got 5, and he got 5. Nice! Oh, hey! Alright, so where are innocent customers? Hey buddy. Come on down to My Eyes Are in Hell donation station if you like to, but if you do come to donate, he will run 1 lap every 1 Robux. You better do it, Buster. I know, I know you can see. You got them good old glasses. Anyway, alright. Who else is on the list too? This guy has been here for more than 20 minutes. That's shocking. Anyway. Alright, so he still doing stuff. They're maniacs jumping around. Alright, who else can I beg? Oh, this guy from one of the show. I don't know what it's called. I forget what it was. Come donate. You're gonna come donate, right? Like this. I just get super close. And hey everyone, if you have a spare Robux, I really appreciate a small donation. Hey everyone, speaking to one person. That's what he says. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Hey, would you like to come donate? Hey, come donate. Won't you? I'm not okay. How's business going, Donovan?
So far, no more donations. Yeah, we got about 4. So far.
Alright, well, I'm not doing too okay over here. Also, apparently the word okay is a cuss word. Why? Hey, wanna come donate to My Eyes Are in Hell to watch him run 1 lap? I'm not okay. No thanks. Okay. Spence just a minute there waiting. Okay then. More people. Yay! More people. More innocent victims. Be what? Come on down to My Eyes Are in Hell. You know the rest. I'm assuming that guy is in VR, because how else would he be? I don't know. Okay, well. Please donate. Please donata. Thank you so much. Thank. What is going on here? Hey Donovan. Our business is being stolen right now. I can't do it! Someone is not okay. What is going on? Everyone is just twitching so much. Okay! Everyone back up! Get generous around! Don't be generous. What is going on? Literally, I would be amazing. Oh my god! Cherry, are you okay? Darwin, are you seeing this? Yeah, I don't think they're okay. Do you have anything to say about this? Those are some words of wisdom. Thank you. Alright, so, in conclusion, if I could just make it back. In conclusion, people rather harass Cherry than buy from us. Whereas Pleb, just a bunch of chaos happening at the It's alright, Darwin. It happens to the best of us. Autocorrect sucks. So, Darwin, in conclusion, people rather harass Cherry than watch people walk 100 laps around the fountain. Isn't that right, Darwin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end my autocorrect.
Okay. I'm gonna go back to the commotion, see what that's about. Wanna come?
I can. I already saw.
Alright. He got some money. Thank you. Alright, trying my business opportunity. I need Robux. Someone, just please. Please. I need it. Hey, don't you want to come on down to my voice? My eyes are in hell. I wish I had Robux. I have 0. Sorry. Alright then. I would say okay, but Roblox is gonna think it's a cuss word, so what's the point in trying? No. People are being harassed. This guy has been here for like 40 minutes. Still. Hey, don't you wanna go to My Eyes Are in Hell and donate Robux? Hi, needed 100, lol. What? Okay. We need to see. Where is Cherry even at? I don't even know why people are harassing her. This person. Go 100 Robux. Please donate. Sorry, I'm gonna be AFK. What is going on, Diamond?
I don't know.
I think business is failing.
Cherry's been donating like 100, 200 Robux people. So everyone's begging her to donate to them because of how much Robux she's donating.
Wow, that's actually so rude. But also, if you guys heard that, like, a little alarm sounding thing, that was just a phone close to dying. It wasn't him actually cussing. Diamond would never cuss on my channel, right?
Yeah, I
No! Diamond!
I never did cuss. I just pressed the button.
Dude, what is up with these people? These people are psychotic. Like, people beg so much in these games. Will we ever get donations? Will Donovan ever walk 100 laps again? Or 1,000 possibly. Stay tuned in case we continue this series, or we get bored and actually find a life. It actually works. Hey, what if what if my game doesn't crash and I can actually, what? Well, my game froze, so, oh, okay. My game just froze for like a split second. You guys probably won't see it because, my brain is not functioning correctly. You guys probably won't see it because, dies. You guys probably won't see it because on the screen you'll guys be able to see what's going on. If they no. Paste. If I can just get word out. Come on down to My Eyes Are in Hell's donation station. Oh. Trying to get the people need to see me. Oh my god. Yeah, no, they're just harassing her. Breathe, Cherry, breathe. That's all she can say. Anyway, well, Donovan, I think we'll have to open up business in another server. Donovan?
Everybody's running me all the time.
Oh, okay. Hey. Hi. They read the message. They finally came. Maybe we won't have to, maybe we won't have to shut down business. And maybe I'll be able to actually function if my computer doesn't slowly burn alive.
Seriously, all ran away.
Every robot... Wow. Thanks for trying to save Cherry, but they all ran away. Yeah, no, I guess we'll have to close up business anyway. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did you, Donovan? Well, Donovan gets to finally run laps. I have... What? Yay! Wow, they're actually watching to make sure you run laps. Well, how many laps do you have to run?
We donated 1.
Oh, okay. Your booth. Well, this has been nice. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Alright.